countdown. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for helping us put unity back in the community.
It's Chelsea. We just wanted to give a huge thank you to everybody who was involved with our Unity Within the Community event, which was this past weekend. We wanted to give a special thanks to the Copperheads LEMC alongside the Punishers LEMC Brick City. Both of those clubs came together to not only ride in this event, but also to help with the organization and the staff. We could not have done it without you. A special thanks goes to my two friends, Bugsy, who is not only our international president for the Copperheads LEMC, but he is also a president here for our Florida chapter and a chapter member, and Mountain, who is vice president of the Punishers LEMC Brick City. I could not have done this without you guys and your connections and all the hard work and dedication you did to make this event exactly what it needed to be. And I'm so happy to say that we raised over $5,000 for the Chief Greg Graham Legacy Fund. And again, this could not have been done without a couple of other people. One of those is Ben Marciano.
But he always put others first. When I looked at Greg Graham, there was not a man that did anything more, and he was an example of how people should live today. It didn't matter color, race, what your background. If you were homeless on the side of the street, Greg would take the shirt off his back and serve you. And I think that's the message we need to remember today. I know he's shining down, looking down. I see his kids here today. I know he's so proud. But he was just an awesome man that represents what a guy and a person should be today. So we're so glad to be able to be part of this. Thank you guys for putting this on for a great person.
He is a co-founding member of the Chief Greg Graham Legacy Fund. He was able to not only come out and assist us, but also be our go-to person with that foundation. And we couldn't thank you enough for your support with everything that we wanted to do for you guys. We also wanted to give a shout out to our mayor, Kenwen.
You know, I said at Greg's funeral, I said, you know, one of the best things I ever did was hiring Greg Graham. And then I rephrased that. It was the best thing that I ever did in hiring Greg.
He came out to our event and was out in the heat with us and was even able to give a speech in our opening ceremonies, and we could not appreciate that more. And a huge thanks goes out to Mike Balkin, who is our new chief of police. He not only came out in support of this event, but he also organized for us to have a police escort from the dealership to our first stop to make sure that everybody was safe and sound, and we cannot thank you enough for that. Thank you to everybody who came out. We were able to raise over $5,000 for this charity. We cannot wait until next year when the next one comes around, so keep an eye out for that. But in the meantime, have fun and ride safe.